Hi guys, I'm Natte Schmid and this is JJ Automotive. Hi, my name is Juha and this is my WRX Spec C. I built this car specially to drive on the Nordschleife and drive on track days. The car is already pretty special from the factory because it's the FIA homologation model for group and rallying. It's pretty much different from normal STI. It's almost 200 kilos lighter from the factory. It has closer ratio gearbox, dips are more aggressive. It has like transmission oil cooler. Heads are completely different. Engine block is much more stronger than in normal STI. It has like automatic intercooler water injection and stuff like that. But let's go to check out the mods. So here we have Wolf Racing CE28 wheels with Nankang Air 1 tires. The tires are 235/40/17 and wheels are 8-inch wide. I also upgraded the brakes to AP Racing 6-spot calipers with 330mm disc. I only wanted to use this size so I could fit 17-inch wheels, and I have genuine Race Engineering Motorsport lug nuts holding the wheels in place. Rear brakes are still original, but I have upgraded the disc to the same design as the front. We also have some basic aero mods like the Rice Japan carbon fiber canards and STI V-limited front lip spoiler. At the back we have the WRX Type 2V GT wing. And I chose this spoiler especially because it's accepted at the tourist department, because here the spoiler needs to be narrower than the body of the car. Because safety is important in track cars, I decided to install custom cages 6-point Clubman roll cage package with Sabel 6-point racing harness and bucket seats. My seat is Sabel GT200 hybrid carbon shell, and passenger seat is Corgo Sprint System 1 Kevlar fiberglass hybrid. Back there we have helmet net for easy helmet transport of the track. Interior is also very stripped out from the factory. There isn't any extra luxuries or electric windows or stuff like that. And also because we don't have AC in this car, I have the roof scoop for ventilation, like all rally cars have. We also have Momo steering wheel and professionally flocked out dash to avoid sun glare from the windscreen. Here we also have the most important gauges for track car. Air to fuel ratio on the right, and on the middle we have boost, oil temperature and oil pressure. Center console is a little bit customized. There's like, because this car doesn't have stereo from the factory, I put like carbon fiber plate here to block the hole, and everything else is like custom painted to matte black to kind of match the look of the dash. I chose Nitron NTR R1 system coilovers for my suspension because I wanted a high-end coilover for track. Top hats are pretty beautiful. They have camber and caster adjustment, and you can adjust the damping force, compression and rebound from the knob on top. Then we have a Pajama carving strut tower bar / brake master cylinder stopper right here. Engine is pretty much stock. It's only got like Roger Clark Motorsport V-catted downpipe and full switchable exhaust system, HKS intake box with HKS super intake inside, upgraded radiator. Just, you know, basic bolt-on mods really.